Hi everyone, welcome back. Let us continue discussion about HTML introduction. This is the last point what we covered in the previous session. Okay, this is the last point which we discussed in the previous session. Okay, already we have seen. What is that? HTML called a client-side software and will work in any browser. Okay, already we discussed it. Right. Next point. Every browser contains HTML parser. Okay, what is that? Every browser contains HTML parser. Every browser contains HTML parser. What is parser? Parser is an interpreter. Parser is an interpreter used to convert or translate HTML to browser understandable code. Okay, what is parser? Parser is an interpreter. Parser is an interpreter used to convert HTML to browser understandable code. Browser understandable code. Okay, parser is an interpreter which is used to convert or to translate HTML to browser understandable code. Okay, here HTML can be executed by browser. HTML can be executed by browser. Here parser converts HTML to browser understandable code. Okay, so that is about parser. Already you have studied about a compiler, interpreter and assembler. Okay, these are what? Translator programs. Already you studied. Right, so that is about a parser. Right, coming to next very important point. HTML is called a language independent and platform independent. Very important one. HTML is called language independent. Language independent. And platform independent. Platform independent. Is it clear? HTML is called what? Language independent and platform independent. Language independent and platform independent. Platform independent. Right. So, language independent means what? Language independent means HTML will work in Java language and .NET language. Okay? HTML will work in Java and .NET languages. Okay? HTML will work in Java and .NET languages and in other languages also. Okay? Right. Next, coming to platform independent. What it means? Platform independent means HTML will work in any platform. Okay, that means HTML will work in Windows, Unix, Linux, Sun Solaris, and other operating systems, etc. Okay, so HTML will work in Windows, Unix, Linux, Sun Solaris and other operating systems. Macintosh, in short we can call it as Mac. All these are what? Operating system softwares. Okay, all these are what? Examples of operating system. So clear? Here platform means what? OS, operating system. So is it clear? HTML is called language independent. Language independent means it will work in Java and .NET languages. Next, HTML is called platform independent. Platform independent means it will work in Windows platform, Unix, Linux, Sun Solaris and other operating systems also. Okay, right. So that is about language independent and platform independent. Next, HTML will work in editors. HTML will work in editors. In editors like what are the editors? Adobe Dreamweaver, Dreamweaver. Next, sea monkey, coffee cup, Adobe Dreamweaver, sea monkey, coffee cup. Next what? Text pad, notepad. Okay, text pad, notepad. Next, Pico for Linux or Linux. Next, simple text. Simple text. Text edits. Text edits. Text wrangler. Text wrangler for Mac. For Mac operating system. For Macintosh, right? HTML will work in editors like Adobe Dreamweaver, SeaMonkey, Coffee Cup, TextPad, Notepad, Pico for Linux or Linux operating system, simple text, text edit, text wrangler for Mac operating system. Okay, all these are what? Editors. HTML will work in all these editors. Okay, except these two, remaining all will work in Windows operating system. Remaining all will work in what? Windows operating system. Right. Next, some other editors also there. Editors. Okay, like Visual Studio Code. Edit Plus, Notepad++, okay, Autumn, so single line text. So all these are also editors. Okay, Visual Studio Code, Edit Plus, Notepad++, single line text, Autumn, right? So this is about editors. Okay. So is it clear? So here the question is, what is the world most easiest language? What is the world most easiest language? The answer is HTML. Okay, the easiest language is what? HTML. HTML is a world's most easiest language. HTML is a most easiest language. Okay, there is no other language. There is no other language which is more easier than HTML. Okay, so in simple terms we can say HTML is a simple language. HTML is a simple language. Okay, so without understanding HTML, listen, without understanding HTML, it is not possible. It is not possible to become a web developer. Remember this point. Okay, without understanding HTML, it is not at all possible to become a web developer. Without HTML, we can't develop any web applications. Without HTML, we can't develop any web applications. Okay, so it is compulsory technology. Compulsory technology. So clear? Is it clear, all of you? So this is about HTML introduction. So we'll see the remaining points in the next coming session. Okay, that's all now. Thank you for watching.